Symbud Myntri Rangbah ka Jylla ba khmih ka kam Pohiing Bah Prestone Tynsong ulayaro ya ka Meghalaya Police K-9 Unit kumupaya ubaklan ha ka banyara na kichingma ha ka jingalang pliang sngewbha bat ka jingshakri na ka kumjuh ki ksew pulit ka balong ha ka Saitjain. Uba Tynsong uloong bagani ka kinhun klanang kiu shaprang na ka jingdon nyau tli ki ksew pulit sha ka jingdon minta live nyau tli ki ksew pulit ki bakin thop ya ki shipho ki ban boot din ya ki nong le kam snew khat saw tli ki ban Pyndon kam ha ka ban lap ya ka jingburi ya ki drugs khatwai tli ki ban wat ya ki tiar ban thei but artli ki ksew ya khun ni assault dogs lingba ka dream mission.
श्रीमान K-9 का कार्याग्रहण एवं छावनी विधि परेड पर एक परेड कमांडर K-9 का 2 प्लाटून हथियार पार्टी 2 प्लाटून जमा 4 प्लाटून परेड पर हाजिर है और परेड को मंच से गुजरने का अनुमति चाहता हूं। जय हिंद श्रीमान।
Simple yet graceful act presents the harmony between the drill is led by handler Khublei with K-9 kaba. We have handler Pohiing Bah with K-9 chest performing the drill. After imprinting the stems, the demonstrator places the chest is now released to track the sense, trace and locate a specific object connected to that person. After placing the leverage, the demonstrator will now clear the area. K-9 really has now been released to detect the explosive sample, which is luggage. K-9 Magnum now repeats the same exercise for continuation. Once again, identify the narcotic sample in one of those luggage and has identified. Next we have K-9 Smokey, who has now been released to perform the same task, and we can assess that we have not been Jylla. This displays highlights the flexibility and athletic ability of our K-9. Agility training ensures that these dogs can operate efficiently in urban structures, forests, disaster zones, and critical terrain. Their strength, coordination, K-9 litter and K-9 cargo are now being released towards the decoy. These K-9s are trained to control attack and suspect apprehension during high-risk operations. K-9 Eva has now been released. Watch closely as the dog charges forward, clears the obstacle by leaping over the drum, and firmly apprehends the decoy.
We are here to witness the passing of the baton to honor the silent heroes who are retiring after years of selfless service and to welcome the new K-9 recruits who will carry their legacy forward. Since its inception in 1975 under the CID wing, the Mera Police K-9 unit has been an indispensable pillar of our security architecture. For 5 decades, the K-9 units and the handlers have been our first line of defense against the invisible, the hidden scent of narcotics, the cold threat of explosives, and the trail of those who seek to evade justice. In recent years, the unit has recorded notable successes across multiple districts, thereby safeguarding life and maintaining public order. On explosive in the rough terrains of East Garo Hills, South Garo Hills and West Garo Hills, or K-9 teams have sniffed out danger in highly sensitive zones. Every detection was a tragedy averted and a life protected. On narcotics, our fight against drugs menace has been bolstered by the sharp senses of this unit. From the significant breakthrough in Riboy in 2023, seizing heroin worth ₹5 crores, to the recent recovery of 691.54 grams in Shillong just this year, the K-9 units have proven that no concealment is clever enough to bypass their vigilance. Growth is a necessity, not a luxury. I am proud to announce that we have moved from a modest strength of just 7 dogs to a formidable force of 37 dogs today. Through the DREAM mission and our recent induction of 24 trained dogs, we have achieved a specialized balance. 10 trackers for criminal investigation, 14 narcotics detectors to protect our youth, 11 explosive detectors for public safety, and 2 assault dogs for high-risk operations. And these dogs, as did mentioned by our DG, will be placed in different parts of the state.